All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Yesterday, I did inform you that we did have to add our final touches to our arena to get it back to exactly where it was. As you can see, we added our pillars here on the corners. Now, I decided just to leave the cones off for now. I probably can put them on, but I'm not going to do it tonight because I've been building pillars and I'm doing other things all day. So, yeah, if I do attempt to do it, I'll do it tomorrow. But for now, our arena is completely where it was before it shut down last time when we had the hiccup when we tried to import the plugins. So let's get a look at it from the perspective point of view really quickly so I can show you that. And you can see here, so there we go. There it is. So we have our arena completely done again. We have our 24 by 24 slab or 24 by 24 arena. And then we have our 12, what is it? Just a 12 foot. I can't even say 12 foot because I don't know how tall each cylinder is, but we have our cylinder stacked 12 high for each pillar. So that's that right there. It does look kind of plain. I may go ahead and just do the cones tomorrow just to top it off and make sure everything is coming along the way it should be. But like I said, we are officially back to exactly where we were before we had the crash. So we all back on track, and now we're gonna keep moving forward. Now I'm not, like I said, I already informed you that I'm not gonna be doing any uh agent learning right here on this Unreal Engine platform. We're gonna do all of our agent training and the machine learning over on the VS Code. So we're gonna keep the two separated so we can stop the conflict of crashing like we had last time. But eventually, I am gonna have to dive back into it and see if we can do some kind of workaround or figure out some kind of way that we can make it work on Unreal Engine, because that is the ultimate goal. We want to be able to train our agents inside of the Unreal Engine so they can act out what we want them to act out inside of our game environment. But again, that's where we're at now. We'll cross that bridge when we get there. For now, we're back up and running, and we're right back where we started from when we had our hiccup. So yeah, that's a good thing and that's a plus. Of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. But for now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.